Hi guys! Welcome back to Unfolding Kate! Arte. Okay, so first of all, thank you so much sa lahat ng sumama sa akin sa communication series. Wow! Okay, kala mo naman 1,000,000 na nanood. Honestly, hindi ko ina-expect na magiging ganito yung feeling habang ginagawa ko itong channel na to. Every episode, I feel like I'm also healing a part of myself. And if somehow may mga taong nakaka-relate sa mga kwento ko, thank you for staying. It really means a lot. So today, let's talk about boundaries. Honestly, I don't know if it is just me pero feeling ko isa ito sa mga most misunderstood na words ngayon. Kasi kapag narinig natin yung word na boundaries, parang automatic ang iniisip ng tao, nagbago ka na. Ang cold mo naman. Hindi ka na katulad ng dati. Ang damot mo naman sa oras. Have you noticed that? Parang kapag natuto kang mag-set ng boundaries, biglang ikaw pa yung lumalabas na masama. Based on my experience, ganun din yung understanding ko noon. I thought, kapag mabait kang tao, you always have to be available to everyone. Kapag may nangailangan sa'yo, be there. Paramdam mo yung presensya mo. Kapag may gustong kumausap sa'yo, reply ka agad. Alam mo yon? Kapag may humingi ng oras mo, give it. Ibigay mo. Ganon. Because I thought that's what being a good person means. Yeah. But as I get older, na-realize ko na hindi pala ganun. Because while I was trying so hard to be there for everyone, I wasn't there for myself anymore. Gets niyo ba yung gusto kong masabihin? Habang inuuna ko lahat, ako naman yung unti-unting nauubos. Ganun siya. And the scary part is, hindi mo siya mapapansin agad. Yes, hindi talaga. Kasi syempre masaya ka eh. It's not something that happens overnight. Unti-unti siya. Every time na sinasabi mong, okay lang ako, kahit hindi na. Every time na sinasabi mong, sige, ako na, kahit pagod ka na. And every time you choose everyone else, a small part of you slowly disappears. Until one day, gigising ka na lang, pagod na pagod ka. And you don't even know why. Ganun siya. Hindi siya nangyayari overnight. That's when I realized boundaries are not walls. Hindi sila ginawa para itulak ang mga tao palayo. For me, boundaries are actually a form of self-respect. You're respecting your time, your peace, your mental health, and most importantly, you're respecting yourself. Yun talaga siya. Kaya merong boundaries. And again, based lang talaga ito sa experiences ko I'm not saying I'm already good at this. Actually, hanggang ngayon, I'm still learning. Because setting boundaries isn't easy. Especially if you're someone who's naturally caring. Someone who's always giving. Who's always trying to understand people. Like me. Ganun talaga ako. And ang hirap. Very challenging siya for me. Alam mo yun? Pero alam nyo, isa sa pinakamalaking realization ko this year is this. Not everyone deserves unlimited access to your life. And that's okay. Hindi ibig sabihin nun na hindi mo na sila mahal. Hindi siya ganon. Hindi ibig sabihin nun na masama ka. It simply means you're finally learning to, alam mo yun, how to protect your peace. And there is nothing wrong with that. Okay? Ilagay mo sa isip at puso mo na walang mali doon. May gusto rin akong sabihin. Kapag nagsimula kang mag-set ng boundaries, some people won't like it. Okay? Kailangan mo i-expect yan. May mga taong magsasabi, nagbago ka na. Dati hindi ka naman ganyan. Bakit ang hirap mo ng kausap? But maybe they're not upset because you've changed. Maybe they're just uncomfortable because you finally learned how to say no. And those are two completely different things. So, I want you to understand and also ilagay nyo sa puso nyo yan. Huwag kayong mag-guilty kapag ginawa nyo yun. So, if there's one thing I want you to remember after watching this video, it's this. You can love people without abandoning yourself. Pwede mong piliin ang sarili mo without feeling guilty because choosing your peace doesn't make you selfish. Sometimes, it's actually one of the healthiest decisions you'll ever make. Again, hindi ko sinasabi ito because I have everything figured out. I'm still learning. I'm still growing, just like all of you. But if somehow this chapter found you today, maybe you needed this as a reminder. So, yeah. Sana makatulong. So, yun. Thank you for staying. Again, I'm Kate, and this is Unfolding Kate. See you in the next chapter. Bye!